It's the last Tuesday of first grade. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Just kidding. So today we will find the start and change unknown to answer word problems. How will we do this? We will use 10 frames again to find the start and the change unknown. Why? Because it's important to be able to solve problems with the start and the change unknown. Joining, say joining. Combining two or more sets. Separating, say separating. Removing some from the group. Now we have a problem. Actually, I have a problem. I have a big problem. I'm going to need you to help me with this problem. It says I have some cookies. I found 7 more cookies in the pantry. Now I have 14 cookies in all. How many cookies did I start with? The start is unknown, so we're going to need to go back and read this story again to find out what we do know. So it says that I had some cookies. Let's see, let me highlight that. I have some cookies. Does it say how many I have? Nope, it says I have some cookies. But then I found 7 more cookies. So we want to highlight that too. 7 more cookies. I had some cookies and then I found 7 more. Okay, now I have 14 cookies in all. Okay, so I joined them together. How many I had and how many I found. Now, how do I find the start unknown? I have some cookies. I found 7 more. Now I have 14. I have to figure out how many I started with. So one way we can do that is to use the counters to show how many I have now. Okay? How many I have right now. How many do I have in all? I have 14. So we're going to use the counters to show that I have 14 cookies in all. How many are in a 10 frame? There are 10 in a full 10 frame. There's 10. So I need 14. So that's 10, 11, 12, 'Okay, I have 10. Now I need 11, 12, 13, 14. That's how many I have right now. I have 14 in all. Let me highlight that because that's very important information. Now I have, never mind. I have 14 cookies in all. Okay, so I found 7. So let me go through and just circle the 7 that I found. All right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many cookies did I have to start with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had 7 cookies to start with. Then when I found 7 more, I got 14. 7 plus 7 equals 14. All right, so now I'm going to type my answer in the box. 14. Let's look at another problem. I'm full of problems today, I guarantee you. Now my problem is that I have 8 pieces of gum, and then I bought some more from the store. Now I have 18 pieces of gum. How many pieces of gum did I buy? Let me read that problem again. I have 8 pieces of gum. I bought some more gum from the store. Now I have 18 pieces of gum. How many pieces of gum did I buy? So my start is unknown. No, my start is known. I have 8 pieces of gum right there. So I have to read it again. Highlight the important information. I have 8 pieces of gum. That's known. The change is unknown. I bought some more from the store. I don't know how many I bought, but I do know how many I have now. I have 18 now. So now I have 8 pieces of gum. So we can show that with our counters in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me when to stop. 5. Stop. There's 8 pieces of gum. That's what I started with. Then I bought some more. Okay, so if I bought some more and I only have 18 now, I'm going to need to count the counters until I get to 18, right? All right, so here's my 8. Now I'm going to keep counting until I get to 18, and then we will see how many I bought, okay? So here's my 8. Now let's keep going to 18. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, now I'm going to circle the 8 pieces that I started with. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? I started with 8 pieces of gum, so we're just going to circle those and not pay any attention to them. We're looking for how many more I bought at the store. So that's going to be the remainder of the counters because I only have 18 in all right now. So let's count the ones that don't have a circle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I had 8 pieces of gum, and then I bought 10 more, and when I joined them together, I have 18 pieces of gum. Now I'm going to write my answer in my box over here, just like you're going to do on the next page. For your independent practice today, you are going to find the start or the change unknown the same way I just did on my 2 problems. So the first one says I have some cookies. I found 5 more in the pantry. Now I have 12 cookies in all. How many cookies did I start with? Well, you're going to have to use the counters. Actually, you're going to have to draw the counters with your pen. Draw the counters to show how many cookies you have in all. Then circle the 5 that you started with, and what you have left is what you found in the pantry. And then you're going to write your answer in the box. Next question. Now you have 6 pieces of gum, and then you bought some more gum from the store. Now I have 15 pieces of gum. How many pieces of gum did I buy? So you're going to have to go and draw the counters for 15 pieces of gum. Circle the 6 that you started with to find the missing change unknown. Then you're going to write your answer in this box. What did you learn today? You learned that your teacher's having a lot of computer problems, but it happens. And joining, combining 2 or more sets, separating, removing some from the group. And then you have a Brain Pop Junior solving word problems video that will also help you find start, change, and result unknowns. Have a great day, first grade. I will see you tomorrow.